Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready to go film?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Are we gonna be in it?
Nope. So this is what a normal day of filming looks like for us. We got Joker number 1. We got someone about to be Spider-Man.
Yeah.
We got 2 little girls just hanging out being noisy. We have Joker number 2, Joker girl.
Hello.
And then Joker girl's sister. And then shirtless bearded Austin. But yeah, it's a good day. It's always fun filming. I love it over here. We have literally the best job in the whole world. So the reason that filming takes so long is the person that's supposed to be filming and directing.
All right, let's go.
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing, little lady?
You're gonna walk downstairs and I'm gonna pan over here and both you guys are gonna just be really weird like you guys are just, I don't know, stupid.
Batman!
I'm Batman.
That is such a cool costume.
I love it. It fits so good.
The only crappy thing was the mask. So that mask is way better than the one that came with it.
Yeah. That's so awesome. I love it.
Super cool. Look at the costume, you guys.
Guys, check it out.
You really look like Batman.
That's awesome.
I'm Batman.
That's so cool.
You're grabbing my figure. Oh, I'm pulling me up. I thought you were grabbing my figure down.
When you start driving, I'm gonna be like,
I'm Batman! Where's Joker? That cape is awesome.
I know.
Batman learning how to ride a motorcycle. Hopefully not crashing it. Austin's worried about his baby over there. So, how'd that go, Aaron?
Not good. Not good at all. I'm a professional.
Batman who can't ride a motorcycle.
That was Robin's bike. My monkey. I'm gonna do that. My monkey. My monkey now. My monkey now. How should I do it? My monkey now, Joker girl.
You're messing with the wrong clown. I don't know. Get him, boy. I think swinging may be my favorite sport.
Why are you just hanging out here next to Joker Girl? I thought she was your enemy. What kind of
Me?
Batman are you?
No.
Watch this.
Oh, I'm gonna hit you, girlfriend. No. Hey, watch this. Wait,
Oh
come
yeah?
closer.
Watch this.
Watch this. But you can't do that.
I love it. It's
That looks so cool.
can't go. Want some of this? Come on, baby. What you do? Squat like a bear.
Wait for it. Wait for it. There she is. Hey, keep walking, kid. Come on.
Come here, baby.
Look at that little cutie patootie pie. Okay. Hold on. Okay, ready? Looking like right here, Trev. Action. Be like
Okay.
Action. No, deeper though, like a gorilla.
Ah, it's so hard.
Yeah, like that.
Sounds like a human being. You ready?
Action. We had a little accident. Playing too hard and fell. Bye.
Actually, what if he tries to punch me twice? You know, I kind of
Swing, swing. Yeah, that's good.
and then come up and
Okay.
ready.
All right, ready?
So I swing at him.
So remember, so like swing at me,
Yeah.
back up.
All right, ready?
I'll play the swipe.
Wait.
Then.
Oh, hold on. That was not at all where I thought you were gonna. Action.
Wait.
Sure.
I can't see.
Oh my God, are you okay? Oh no, that sounded so freaking bad. Okay. Brothers,
dude.
what?
Where did it hit you?
Like right in the head. I pulled my
Was
hand
it your
up.
arm?
Yeah, it smacked it really hard there. God, are you okay? I know, like, that hit you hard, dude.
Yeah, dude, I saw stars for a sec.
Stupid rhino. Go.
Action.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Stupid rhino, I'm back.
Stupid rhino.
Action. Oh, wait.
Kick your monkey. Kick your sea bass.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Oh crap. Oh crap.
Batman, I see you.
Hey baby.
Okay, ready? Action.
Seriously? Is that dumb?
Fail.
Oh shoot, I don't know what I'm doing.
It's a gorilla radio.
That's a pretty gorilla. All right, ready? Action.
Oh shoot. I hit that.
Yeah, you did. Austin. Woo. What are you doing, Trev? Batman?
Good night.
Good night.
Let's go play something else.
Have a wonderful, spectacular night.
Always it's gonna take a night.
What?
I don't like when you pull my hair.
What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Camera.
See you guys next time. Good night.